To land the probe tips onto the surface, locate the feedback control box in the upper left of Multiscan and engage the heads. Increase delta deflection to land the tips as necessary. Once all of the probe tips are engaged, locate the offset control. Toggle the offset move button so it flashes. By selecting a head letter, you can move each head with the beach ball control. You can change the amount the probe tips move by as well. Offset the probe tips close together. Engage the tips and click scan. Place the cursors over the same device or memory cell you want to probe. A vital part of the AFP process is to create an overlay. Move the sample to the corner of an array or area with easily identifiable features and scan over it with the tips. Adjust the scan size to make sure the tips will scan over a common area. A larger scan will ensure this at the expense of time. Slower scan rates are necessary for smaller technologies. A scan rate of 4 microns per second is good for 65 nanometer technology, but for 28 nanometer technology and below, use a scan rate of 2 microns per second. This is a good opportunity to evaluate the sample preparation and probe tips. If a probe tip gives a poor image or the sample is not prepared well, now is the time to replace the tip or fix the sample prep. Locate the scan save area. Type a file name to save the scans under. To save scan images upon completion of a scan, toggle the Save Lock button. By clicking Save Now, the current scan image will be saved immediately. As the images are collected, find a feature that is common to the scan image for each head. In the Overlay tab, drag the cursor for each head over that common feature. Engage the tips and click Scan. Place the cursors over the same device or memory cell you want to probe. Clicking Overlay places the cursors at the same point, meaning the common areas in each image are laid over one another, hence Overlay. Locate the Auto Offset. Change the value to 0.5 microns and click Set. This offsets the tip 0.5 microns from the overlay point with respect to the head's platen angle. Now you can decrease the scan size. Smaller scan sizes give better resolution and take less time. The tips will drift as they get closer to thermal equilibrium. Wait for the tips to scan over the overlay point again and place the cursors over the new location of the overlay point. Engage the tips and click Scan. Place the cursors over the same device or memory cell you want to probe. Click Update Overlay and set the offset radius again. The overlay is now complete. Click Mid-Range and disengage the probe tips. Use the Snap stage to navigate to the region of interest. Engage the tips and click Scan. Place the cursors over the same device or memory cell you want to probe and update the overlay once more. Now, place the individual cursors over the nodes you would like to probe, moving any unused cursors a safe distance away, and click Probe.